Welcome back to Healing Supplements Videos. Today we're spotlighting an unsung hero in the nutrition world, boron. Stick around as we explore its amazing health benefits, the signs of deficiency, top food sources, and why supplementing, especially for older adults, might be a game changer. Make sure you hit like, subscribe, and tap that notification bell so you never miss our weekly wellness wisdom. Boron is a trace mineral found in soil, certain foods, and even the oceans. It helps the body metabolize key vitamins and minerals like calcium, magnesium, and vitamin D, all vital for bone strength. It influences cell membrane function, ensuring nutrients enter your cells efficiently. Emerging studies show boron's role in modulating gene expression linked to inflammation and hormone balance. Bone and joint health. Boron supports the conversion of vitamin D to its active form, enhancing calcium absorption and building stronger bones, critical for preventing osteoporosis. Clinical trials suggest boron can reduce markers of osteoporosis and improve joint flexibility, easing conditions like osteoarthritis. Hormone balance. In both men and women, boron helps maintain healthy levels of estrogen and testosterone, important for mood, bone density, and muscle mass, particularly after age 50. Brain function and mood. Research indicates that adequate boron intake boosts cognitive performance, improving hand-eye coordination, attention, and short-term memory. It may lower brain inflammation, potentially helping with age-related cognitive decline. Anti-inflammatory power. Boron has been shown to reduce levels of inflammatory biomarkers such as CRP, C-reactive protein, which can lower your risk of chronic diseases, heart disease, metabolic syndrome, and more. Athletic performance and recovery. Boron assists in muscle repair by influencing protein synthesis pathways, and some athletes use it to support strength and reduce DOMS, delayed onset muscle soreness. Because boron isn't formally classified as essential yet, there's no official RDA, but most experts agree adults need 1 to 3 milligrams per day. Watch for these signs: weak or brittle bones, frequent injuries, joint pain or stiffness, poor concentration or brain fog, imbalanced hormones, low libido, mood swings, slow wound healing. If any of these sound familiar and you're not getting enough boron-rich foods, supplementation may help. Good news, boron is plant-powered. Try including avocados, about 1.7 milligrams per cup, prunes and raisins, 1.4 milligrams in a 1 full cup serving, walnuts and almonds, roughly 1.2 milligrams per ounce, chickpeas and lentils, 1.0 milligrams per cup cooked, apples, pears and grapes 1.0 milligrams each. Cooking tip: light steaming preserves more boron than heavy boiling. As we age, absorption of boron and the nutrients it works with declines. Plus, many processed diets supply less than 1 milligram of boron daily. Benefits of a quality boron supplement: bone density support, crucial for women post-menopause and men over 60. Joint comfort. Less inflammation means easier movement. Hormonal balance, aiding vitality, energy, and mood stability. Look for chelated forms like boron glycinate or boron citrate for superior bioavailability. Typical supplemental dosages range from 3-10 milligrams per day. Stay below 20 milligrams daily, the generally accepted upper limit, unless your healthcare provider advises otherwise. Pregnant or breastfeeding. Always consult your physician first. And that's a wrap on boron. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you never miss our science-backed supplement guides. Check the comment below for a trusted link to a boron supplement, and feel free to share your experiences or questions. Our community loves learning from one another. Until next time, keep your health shining and stay curious.